I'm going to replace an IC, and this one is very moisture sensitive, so I am at this moment grilling it in a combi oven. It looks like a microwave oven, and it is, but I haven't turned on the microwave, so it's only the grill that is now warming up the IC. I have to do this for a few hours. Officially I have to do this for more than a day, but that's not going to happen, right? This is the IC that I need to replace. It's a Texas Instrument LMG5200. It's a gallium nitride power driver. So I'm going to remove that with my hot air station here, and then I'll warm up the board, apply some paste, and put the new chip that I'm currently baking in its place. I'm surprised myself, but that actually worked. So here is the IC, and here is the parts. So everything worked fine. Took me a little bit more than 2 minutes to get that off. So I'll now prepare the next one. Hey, and if you're wondering where that noise is coming from, there is a market over there, and it's too good weather to close the window. Now I'm going to warm the PCB with my hot air gun, so that once I supply the solder paste, it doesn't have to heat that much anymore. The whole board is hot now, so it's time to apply the paste and then go big temperature and put the chip on the board. Hey, that's done. I'm honestly a little bit curious to know if this actually went okay or not. There is only one way to find out. That's it. Work is finished. Took me less than half an hour. If I exclude the preparation to bake this chip here and to warm up my my solder paste. So removing the chip took 2 minutes. Took me 2 minutes to heat it off with 300 degrees. It's leaded, so I had to do that. And then to another 20 minutes and another 20 minutes to put the solder paste on and place the new chip. Hey, good news for myself, successful. So replacing the chip fixed the thing, everything is fine, and the project works again.